Hi guys, this is Ratcat. Today I want to talk to you about how to fix your door knob not going down. Pretty much any Mercedes model this will fix. If you don't want to pay hundreds to get the mechanical fix, I'm going to show you what you need to do. Whatever you do, the first thing you need to know is do not put RP7 or W64 WD-40, sorry. Don't put WD-40 down there. Whatever you do not put WD-40 or RP7 or oil or anything like that, because you will just ruin it. Well, you won't ruin it permanently, but so this one here, this is my back door, and it didn't lock for a long time. I'd have to actually open the door, push the button down and close the door. It's the only way I could get it to lock. But if you have a look, works perfect. And then unlock. So what you need to use is CRC 226, okay? So you need a electrical contact type of stuff, because it evaporates and it'll melt. If you use WD-40, it eventually turns to gunk, and it'll turn to, because it's got oil and kerosene in it, and it'll sort of lock up the mechanism. But if you use this, it'll clean the mechanism and it will make it work properly. And what you need to do is put a little nozzle on there and put it close to there and spray in and give it a really good soak. But don't expect it to work straight away, because I sprayed this about 2 months ago and it took about 3 weeks, and all of a sudden it started to work. And I had the same problem with my other door, my passenger front door as well. And the funny thing is, that doesn't actually go all the way down, but it does lock. So I'll show you. Watch this. Lock it. Let me just lock it. It's locked. That's locked. Let's go see if the passenger side door is locked. Oh, that's the first time that has not locked, but I haven't sprayed that side, so let me lock it again. It's not locking. I need to give that a spray. So there you go, guys. I haven't sprayed this side, and I'm going to do that right now, and I'm going to hope that in a few weeks or even sooner that's going to start working. But we need to wait and see, because I don't think that's going to work straight away. Okay, so hope that helps. Don't forget, it's called CRC 226, and it's contact cleaner, electrical contact cleaner. Don't use WD-40. Okay guys, catch you all later. Bye.